get into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This was my homemade drilling machine with a 12-volt DC gear motor, which I was using from many years and for almost all projects in our YouTube channel. I got able to make holes on wood pieces, and the bit is also not changeable here. So now with the YouTube money I have bought a new drilling machine. So in this video I'll unbox that and show you the product. I directly went for this Bosch drilling machine. There are different power options available. For my application, the 350 watt was sufficient. You can also go for 450 or 500 watt. So coming to the specifications, it's 2800 RPM. And the bit size you can use is only up to 10 mm. There's no box, nothing. You directly get the machine. A user manual and a 6 months warranty card. I can feel the product quality by just holding itself. It's solid, and even the cable quality is also good. It doesn't come with any hammer option. They have also given reverse switch. It can be also used as a screwdriver. There is also lock button. If you're planning to get one for the projects or household application, you can directly go for this 350 watt. There are also 450 and 500 watt options available for bigger applications. All three links will be in the description box. Coming to the price, I bought it for 2000 rupees online. Along with this, I also bought a cutting blade connector, which I'll be making a separate video. For any questions, just leave a comment below. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.